Okay, hello everyone. Myself Ganesh Patil. I am Faculty of Mathematics and welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy Aurangabad. Okay, in the last lecture we have studied the algebraic factorization of algebraic expression and also we have studied the quadratic trinomial. Okay, you know very well how to find out the factors of quadratic trinomial. Now today we are going to discuss the factors of a cube plus b cube, means here the cubes of sum of a and b. Okay, now see, we know that a plus b bracket cube is equals to, okay, this formula. What is this formula? So now see, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, then therefore a plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube and b cube, write down alongside to each other plus, okay, these remaining two terms we just write down 3a square b like that, 3ab into 3ab into a, because we will take 3ab common in the next step, plus 3ab into b, that's all. Okay, then therefore a plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube plus b cube, write down as it is, and here 3ab plus 3ab. Okay, in the both the terms having 3ab means it is a common, we can take a 3ab is a common, then here remaining is a, here is b. Okay, see, now we have a plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, see here, a plus b bracket cube, okay, we just take this whole part to LHS side, means this part is transferred to left hand side and it will becomes minus, because here is a plus as a by the transposition concept. When we transfer one term from RHS side to LHS side, then this is change their sign, means here 3ab having plus sign, then it become minus 3ab and a plus b, write down as it is. Okay, then this part only remains here, a cube plus b cube. Okay, now a plus b bracket cube, this cube is divided into square and 1, means see, by the rule of indices base is same and here is a multiplication, that's why we do here the addition of their powers, means 1 plus 2 3, and we can write a plus b bracket cube is in the form a plus b raised to 1 into a plus b square. Write down the next step as it is, a plus b and a cube plus b cube. Okay, here the bracket a plus b is again common in the both terms, then take a plus b is a common, and what's remain here, a plus b bracket square minus 3ab, and this bracket we have taken the common, is equals to a cube plus b cube. Okay, okay, see, a plus b in first bracket and in second bracket a plus b bracket square minus 3ab is equals to a cube plus b cube. Okay, the next step is, therefore a plus b, write down as it is, and see this formula, we know the formula very well, a plus b bracket square means a square plus twice ab plus b square, means a square plus twice ab plus b square minus thrice ab is equals to a cube plus b cube. Okay, and now then next one is a plus b, write down as it is, then a square. See here twice ab and thrice ab. ab means these both are like terms. Okay, and 2 having plus sign, 3 having minus sign. Okay, we just do here the subtraction. Subtraction means smaller number subtracted from bigger number. So 2 is a smaller number and 3 is a bigger number. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 AB. But here this is the subtraction of 2AB and 3AB. But here should be gives the sign of big number. Big number is 3 and their sign is minus. That's why we have take here the minus sign, plus b square is the remaining term, and a cube plus b cube write down as it is. Okay, then the formula is, I am just taking this side here, means a cube plus b cube is equals to this side, write down the next one, means another side, a plus b a square. This one we now need not to be write down, means minus ab plus b square. Okay, see the factors of a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b first bracket, and in square bracket a square minus ab plus b square. That's all. Okay, so now we are going to solve some examples depend upon the given formula. Okay, okay, see 8 a cube plus 27 b cube is the example depend upon the given formula, means a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b in bracket a square plus minus twice minus ab plus b square. Okay, see here 8 a square plus 27 b 8 a cube plus 27 b cube. Here we can't find out the perfect value of a by the formula, and here also. Okay, so we just convert the given example is in the proper values of a and b, means see 2 means which number cube is 2, here is a 2a bracket cube. Okay, here meaning does not change, we just take 2 cube is 8 and a cube. Okay, plus 27 means 3b cube. Then now we have find here the value of a is a twice a and b is a thrice b. Okay, also using a cube plus b cube. Okay, now I am taking here a and b is in the capital letters, because in the given example they are also use the a and b is as a variable. Then we just take here in the by the formula a cube a and b is in the capital letters. See a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, we have the value of a is twice a and b is thrice b. Then 8a cube plus 27b cube. Write down this original example here is equals to. Then what is the value of a? The value of a is a twice a. Okay, twice a. What is the value of capital B? Is the thrice b. Okay, plus b means plus 3b. Then what is the value of capital A? The value of capital A is twice a. That's why twice a square minus ab. ab means 2a into 3b plus 3b square. Okay, see 2a plus 3b, then 2a bracket square means 4a square minus 2 3s are 6 ab plus 3 square 9 b square. This is the factors of the given example 8a cube plus 27b cube. Okay. Okay. See, now we are going to see the factors of a cube minus b cube is the next type. Okay. We know very well the formula of a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus here b cube. This is the formula of a minus b bracket cube. Okay. Then we just solve. See, write down a cube alongside minus b cube, and then these two terms here also one term is common. One term is common means here minus 3ab into a means 2 times a. That's why I am writing a into a. See, this plus having 2 minuses. 2 minuses means this one minus and minus 3ab, and b square means b is 2 times. Okay. Then a cube minus b cube minus 3ab is a common, minus 3ab is a common, and here is a and this minus sign taken common, but this minus sign remaining, that's why writing here minus and this b. Okay. A minus b bracket cube, a minus b bracket cube. Then this whole part transferred to this side and it becomes plus 3ab. A minus b is equals to a cube minus b cube. Okay. And then a minus b bracket square plus 3ab a minus b is equals to a cube minus b cube. Then a minus b take a common, and this the description, write down directly the description of a minus b means a square minus twice ab plus b square plus 3ab is a cube minus b cube. Okay. Then write down a cube minus b cube on LHS side, and this whole description write down on RHS side, means first term is a minus b, then in the square bracket a square 3ab minus 2ab means plus 1ab plus b square is the formula. Okay. Now we are going to solve just one example depend upon this formula. This is the important formula, a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b in bracket a square plus ab plus b square. See, the given example is depend upon the formula a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b in bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. We just convert x cube minus 1 upon 64 means the square cube root of 64 is 4y and bracket cube. Here the value of a is x and value of b is 1 upon 4y. Okay. Then x cube minus 1 upon 64y cube is equals to, in first bracket a minus b. A means ex, minus b means minus 1 upon 4y. Okay. And in another bracket a square means x square plus ab means x into 1 upon 4y plus 1 upon 4y bracket square, because this is the b, the value of b is 1 upon 4y, ex minus 1 upon 4y, x square plus x upon 4y plus 1 upon 16y square. Okay. This is the application or use of the given formula a cube minus b cube. Okay. And see, this is important factors of algebraic expressions. Okay. Thank you.